Assalamu alaikum. A moment, please. Ramadan is a month of the Qur'an. In fact, it is the Qur'an that gave Ramadan its high recognition of sacredness. The Prophet ﷺ will read the entire Quran during the month of Ramadan with Jibreel alayhi salam. And in his final Ramadan, he ﷺ completed the Quran twice with Jibreel alayhi salam. Therefore, every Muslim is encouraged to keep himself engaged with the Quran during the month of Ramadan as much as he can. Reading, learning, understanding, pondering, and what have you. However, some of us may not have the privilege of being able to read the Quran for a reason or another. If you happen to be one of those, here is a secret recipe for you to possibly make up for the loss. For certainly, there is a great loss for the Muslim who can't read the Quran for whatever the reason could be. Dedicate 15 minutes in Ramadan every day for making dhikr. Why 15 minutes? Well, because realistically, you can be consistent with it. But why not less than 15 minutes? Well, come on, it is Ramadan. 5 minutes for istighfar. Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. The next 5 minutes for salah upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. And the last 5 minutes for La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. You don't have to count, and if you choose to count, it's up to you. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes accordingly. You can replace the last La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah with any form of dhikr of your choice. It can be Hasbi Allahu wa ni'mal wakil. It can be La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah, lahul mulk wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. It can be La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu min al-zalimin. Or it can be any form of dhikr or dua of your choice, and you are good to go. Again, the 15 minutes period is just a suggestion. You can add for as much as you want, as long as you are able to maintain consistency. Here, a reminder for myself and the lovely people out there, please keep your phone away during the 15 minutes period. Let the world wait for you. After all, it is only 15 minutes. Maintain observing this until the end of Ramadan, and I can promise you that you won't feel the same as you feel today. You will feel certainly better, less anxious, less disturbance in sleep, less worry, and many more, inshaAllah ta'ala. While this secret recipe is for those who can't read the Quran, it is also recommended for you, even if you can and have been reading the Quran. The more, the merrier. As for the reward and return, in this dunya, الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَتَطْمَئِنُّ قُلُوبُهُمْ بِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ أَلَا بِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ تَطْمَئِنُّ الْقُلُوبِ. Those who believe and whose hearts find comfort in the remembrance of Allah, surely it is in the remembrance of Allah that hearts can find comfort. And in Akhirah, وَالذَّاكِرِينَ اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا وَالذَّاكِرَاتِ أَعَدَّ اللَّهُ لَهُمْ مَغْفِرَةً وَأَجْرًا عَظِيمًا. Men and women who remember Allah very often, for them Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has prepared forgiveness and great reward. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us more opportunities to reap and harvest more rewards in Ramadan and outside Ramadan, and may He continue to safeguard us and grant us good ending. Until the next moment, please, I leave you in Allah's protection. Wassalamu alaikum.